What's up, Harmony One holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Harmony One coin. Latest update: what's going on in the Harmony? What's the next price of Harmony? When will the price pump? A lot of people ask me this type of questions. So in this video, I'm trying to clear your questions. So keep watching this video complete because this video is going to be very special for all Harmony One holders, my friends. Guys, before starting this video, before going ahead, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Now this time the latest price of the Harmony One coin is 0.066462 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Harmony. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price change, so completely, my friends, the price of Harmony is going in the loss. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Harmony is negative. The price of Harmony is going in the loss, completely price going down, my friends. So I think that I'm sorry for that the June-July month is the losing money of all Harmony holders, my friends. But you know what, after a bad time there is a good time, my friends. Believe me, and just patient, just wait for a good time, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just wait, my friends. Absolutely, Harmony One have to take a pump, my friends. And you know what, after 2-3 days, my friends, there is a possibilities, I'm sure about that after 2-3 days the price of Harmony will pump. So wait for it, my friends. Maybe, my friends, we can't see about the future, maybe the price falls down more in the future, but my prediction, that's my personal prediction about Harmony One coin, my friends. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.